Hello, what's up, y'all? Bal-Dez here. So, if you didn't subscribe to this channel and you are new here, welcome and subscribe and give a like to this video. And if you find it interesting, you can also leave some comments down below. So, today I will walk you through how I have installed Roblox and started my first game. So, we will just do it very fast and it will not take time. Let's get started. So first of all, we have this link here, create.roblox.com/landing. So in every browser, you can use this link to get this Roblox Studio. From there, you can download it like this button, start creating. When you press this one, it should show here download studio. So I have it downloaded. I don't need it now, so I can just deny there. And if you have some problem about setting it up, you can also go to this link, as you can see here, and I will add all the links down below. From there, you can just grab them and try to know how it works. And next, if you wanna, for example, install Roblox in an Android phone, you can just use Google Play or Apple Store. If you have the application downloaded, from there you can also test the different games from different developers. And what we can do next, I will show you just the thing, my first game developed through Roblox Studio. So here we are. The game is, I named it Skybridge Adventure. So this is the name of the game. And from here you can, let's see, if we go back here, here's the setting. And I give it a name here, and this is a small description about the game. Take on the Skybridge Adventure all by yourself. So the main focus of the game is to go from one island to another island and without falling down, and the bridge connecting the two islands is broken, so it's a little bit tricky, and there are some obstacles to be dodged so that you will not die and restart the game. So the game logo is this one, and there are some pictures showing how the game looks like we can see this one. You are a hero when you reach the final step. So we can close this one and see here. Here is the landscape of the two islands, and there is the bridge between. And let's see next here. So this is the starting point. From here, the player can start jumping. So as you can see, this mark here, start. So those red cones are obstacles to be avoided if you don't want to die and restart your own game. And let's see here. Here is from another angle to see the game. So we have put it some light in and make it so that it will be a very user friendly and you will enjoy the game. It's very interesting. So let's just try to see how it looks like when we start playing. So I have added an audio there to give a description for the player what is going on. So as you can see here, I can just start going really carelessly, and as you can see, the player has just died. And if we just go again, so we have to make sure that we avoid those obstacles. And if I want to come back to where I have started or where I must start, I can use this button here. So this will restart the player to the place where he or she should be. So what I can change also this name here, you can, for example, add your name to start here. What we can do, we can stop this game and come to here, Explorer. So those are the signs here we have. We can zoom the game a little bit out and see how the change will look like. So it looks like this one. For example, if we want to add something here, as you can see, this is just start. We have a sign here, mark. So from here, there is the text label for that. Here I can go down and check where it is written start, which I have added before. And I can, for example, add my name there and save it so that when we start playing, you will see start Bal-Dez. So let's try to see how the game goes here. And you can work, you can jump. If you are playing on the computer, you can use the space keyboard to jump and the arrows top, bottom, left, right to move. So as you can see, if I'm not careful, I should fall down. So I don't want to fall down, and I want to just dodge this obstacle here. So we have reached the first star, and there is another obstacle here to be avoided. And what I can do here, just try to jump again here and move on. So we have reached the second island, but the game is not finished. So as you can see here, last step up. So let's go up here and see if we can get something there. So this is the second star here, and there is another bridge here in an angle position. So let's try to go up here. Whoa, so can you see that we have grabbed the winner trophy? And if you cannot read this one, you are a hero. So this is the game. It's a little bit challenging, but if you try it again and again, you can win it. So this is the short demo about what I did here, and as I said before, don't forget to subscribe and give a like to this video and give some comment. And if you have some difficulty installing or starting with this Roblox, you can also leave a question down below. So the game name, as I said before, is this one, Skybridge Adventure, if you want to try it out. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye-bye.